Hey guys, it's Belinda again with Willow, Birch, and Clover, and today we're going to put together page 3 in the new kit that I have in my Etsy shop, and I'll show you quickly what we'll be doing. This page is what we're going to put together today, all right? And it's really simple and fast too. You'll notice the kit for page 3 has 2 pages, but the photo templates that we've talked about before and some extra whale tail tags are on those. These are actually the pieces that I have out here that we'll be using, and I'll show them to you. It goes together really quickly. So you open up your page, and the first piece you want, of course, you're gonna print on your backs and ink around your edges, but this is gonna become a pocket, and I like the date to show a little bit more, so I'm gonna put it like this in the book. So I'll be applying glue on the back side on those 3 sides. Let's get that going. Sorry. It's kind of early here, so I'm barely going this morning. Just bear with me. But like I said, this will only take a second. All right? So we're gonna put the pocket down and wiggle it into position. And I'll use the lines on my paper to line it up. And I like how that sits right there. And I'm gonna burnish it down. I've left my bone folder over there, but that's okay. You don't need it. You can use your finger also. All right, now to decorate the pocket, and I'm gonna be referencing over here so I don't forget anything. We're gonna begin with the pockets down here. You're gonna need the yellow piece, the red piece, the 3-cent piece to make the pocket, okay? And this won't even look like a pocket on here. It's just a little tiny tuck spot, but it comes in handy, so. And it's so pretty on the page. It should be almost the exact width of this piece. We'll lay that down, okay? Then the next decoration is the red piece, and it's not gonna lift up, so I put glue all over the back of it and put it down right there, lining it up with this edge. And then the 3-cent piece is gonna mark the intersection of both pieces and give us a little extra decorative element right there. Now this little pocket will hold the camera and the ticket, which can become decorating pieces for you later, or just little tiny journaling tags, however you want to use them. The next piece we're going to put down is the photo, and that's going to go right here. I'm using photo 1 for this one. That's a really good size for junk journals, and I'm going to glue this down all over on the back because it won't be lifting, and I'm going to just place it down right there, just wherever it looks great to you, okay? Now, there is a decorative piece that goes on top of this, and it goes right here. But before you can add that piece, you need a photo to go down. So I just cut out using my clear acetate template 1 piece that I made by tracing the photo 1 template that comes in the kit. I cut up a photo, and it's gonna go right here. I'm gonna glue that down for you so you can see what that will look like with some type of photo there. And again, it can be family photographs or the vintage style photographs that you get in journaling kits for journals that you're making or to give away or to sell. Or like I said, family photos for ones that you're keeping or making heirlooms. All right, there's your photograph. Now take the little decorative green piece, and you'll see I cut it with my scissors again, all kind of wiggly, following the line so that it maintains that torn look that I designed it in. And this is gonna go down right here. I want to extend it beyond the photograph just a little. You see how quickly this is coming together? And this is a little faux piece of tape that I put glue on the back of. It's the little brown element. I'm gonna put it up here in the corner and extend it past the edge of the pocket just a little. And the last thing I wanna do, or you may do or may not do, you can put this piece, you don't have to use it, it says the past. You can put it on your pocket. You could put it also under the photo right here or down at the bottom of your page. I think I'm gonna add it right under the photo here because there's not a lot showing on the bottom of that photograph that I put on there, just their shoes and their feet. So we won't really be missing anything. I'm gonna put it there and extend past the edge of the photograph border just a little bit. Now, the only thing we have left to do, we have photo templates 2 and 3. And you can put photos on these at any time because I cut the circles out. I'll be using circles for pulls instead of the whale tail tags. And all I'm gonna do to do this is put glue about halfway on the front and stick it to the back of my photograph and put it in the position that you want. You could even put it on this side if you wanted to. But it's really very simple. And that one I kind of cut cattywampus. So I'm gonna put the cattywampus side. Oh, wrong side for the glue, sorry. I could have used this side because it is printed on, but I'm gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna take a piece of tissue. I should have done that first, I guess, and wipe this extra glue off that I just put on there. Now let me secure it. There we go. Okay, those 2 pictures slide in the pocket just like this, and this one just like this. So you've got 3 photographs on this page with some little tiny journaling tags and a pocket, and your decorations that finish the page off for you. And I think it's beautiful, and it's really fast. That was the extra circle, sorry. It's really fast, and it's very simple to lay out, but it looks like it took you forever to come up with this little layout. So that's page 3. All right, now we're moving on quickly. That's this one in the book. And next we'll do the final page. And I may do a video or 2 showing you how you can combine these elements in different ways to complete some totally different page layouts. You don't have to go just by what I'm showing you here. This is a jumping off point, and it gives you an idea of quick layouts you can put out for the pages that are beautiful. There are hundreds of them that you could make, so I may do a few videos after that showing you some other ideas using this kit, and also maybe eventually a finished journal. So there you go, page 3. I hope you liked it, and like I said, really fun and easy. Thanks a lot.